ਲਓ ਜੀ ਡ੍ਰੀਮ ਕਮਿੰਗ ਟਰੂ। ਔਰ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਚੱਲ ਪਿਆ। ਟੂ ਬੀ ਇਜ਼ ਦਿਸ ਅ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਲੀਡਿੰਗ ਅਗੇਨ?
Yes, it's a female.
Of course, always is female.
Always female. Look into that. She is waiting and making the decision to cross. There you go. There you go. We are so lucky now. Hundreds, thousands are going to come down one by one and cross it. Wow. This is the 7th new wonders of the wild.
Now they're getting like a stampede.
Yeah, now they're stampeding to the other side. I think they're going to find another. Yeah, they already found it and they're going to cross. They are crossing the river now. There you go. Female is leading them.
Yeah.
And she is going towards to the banks, and there she go. Look into that. Look into that. Now you see the hundreds coming down and thousands coming down. Look into that. Great wildebeest migration is happening at the tail end, not the tail end, it is still in the middle of the October. Wow. Let me zoom out so you can see the complete movement. There you go. Wow. Kuljit Singh,
Yeah.
पैसा वसूल?
Pura.
Now thousands are coming down one by one. I'm so happy. We are so happy to witness it. Look into that. Thousands and thousands coming down.
Get into one line and cross
And
the.
go there.
They're creating stampede now. Come on.
There you go. Look into that. This is all crossing into Tanzania.
You can see the dust.
Yeah, you can see the dust coming from that. That's the Mara River, sorry, Sand River. That is the natural border between Tanzania
In Kenya.
and Kenya. Look at that dust. Wow. Look at the dust. And they are stampeding. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God, look into that. Thousands coming down. And we are lucky to witness this great migration. My God, something happened and they're stampeding back.
In the back.
Something scared them. Let's see.
What happened?
There must be a lion.
Might be lions.
Must be a lion.
Wow.
And they're stampeding back. Reporting live from
Sand River.
Sand River in Maasai Mara, Kenya, East Africa. Something must have happened. Thousands have gone back.
Look at the dust.
Look at the dust. You can't see it clearly.
Uh-oh. You hear
Look
the
at-
noises now?
You see the sound?
They got scared.
Something might have happened. There must be a
Or
lion.
maybe they were scared by birds. If it is a lion, must be one has been caught. Oh, it have cut short our beautiful cruising.
Wow. So all these wild beasts you are seeing here gone back. Something have happened. And guys saying there might be a lion. And these are in Kenya. And all these that we are going to show you that have crossed the Mara River that you can see over there are in Tanzania, and we are right here in Kenya. never-ending line of the Great Migration. So let us find out what had happened, why they gone back, and we'll continue after if we find it out. Otherwise,
They are coming back.
yeah, we are sharing the Great Migration with all of you.